Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you guys miss me? I'm back with the hair tutorials, okay? So this gorgeous unit is from Outre. This is the Outre Kayreena. This is a 360 wig and the color I got it in is a chocolate swirl. Now this hair did get big while I was styling it, so this is it in its natural combed out state. While doing the other styles that you guys seen, I was kind of like finger combing through it and it got pretty big. So you don't want to finger comb it as much, but this is a 360 unit, so you can put it up in a ponytail. You can do side part, middle part, updo. You could do very different kinds of looks with this, which is great. The color I really like, it's like a chocolate, but then it has hints of highlights at the ends. The hair is pretty soft, but it's a lot of hair. Just to let you guys know, it's a lot of hair. I tried cutting it to kind of finger comb through it. But all in all, if you guys like this, keep watching.
So here's the packaging. Straight out the box, this color in the curl pattern was gorgeous. Here's the construction and also the natural curl straight out of the packaging. Super pretty. So it also came with a baby hairs, as you see here. Everything was pre-plucked. It was ready to go just to put on and install. It also has an elastic band as well. So here I'm just applying the wig as usual, and then I'm gonna go in and use my bedhead spray because I wanted to do a glueless method and apply this unit. So here I'm just going to use my carrot care wax stick to kind of mold and define that middle part, and then I'm going to use my hot comb at 360 temp and flat iron and make sure that everything is flat at the top of this unit. So now I'm just about to go in and create a little bit of baby hairs. I just did like 2 or 3 little swoops. Nothing too crazy because I'm gonna do a side part right after. So just something natural, not heavy baby hairs. Now I did go in and lightly create some layers into it because I didn't like it one length. So I'm just slightly cutting downwards to frame my face. I'm always a good middle part girl, like I love it. Look at the curls. It looks so pretty like this, but then once I started switching the styles up, the hair got even bigger. So just be careful when you're switching the styles up. So this is how it looks with the side part. See, I was finger combing through it and it's getting bigger and bigger each time. So just be mindful of that. But I love it. It looks so cute. And here's the half up, half down look. Just be mindful, do not finger comb it because the more you finger comb it, the bigger it gets. But I love how versatile this unit is. You could do a middle part, side part, updo, and ponytail, and it's perfect.
If you guys like this tutorial, I have other video tutorials. Just click right here and you guys will see.